All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how to find a discount price, or how to calculate a markdown, or how to find a sales price. They're all the same thing. So let's go over some examples. I'm going to go over how to find a discount, then calculate tax, and how to find the original price of something before it was discounted. First question. Casey is purchasing a video game for $14.95 and it's on sale for 25% off. What is the sales price of the video game? So Casey was going to have to pay 100% of the price of the video game, but now it's 25% off. So Casey is left paying 75% of the price. So Casey pays 75% of $14.95, which is the same as 0.75 times $14.95. And if you put that in your calculator, you get 11.2125. And I know that money ends here in the hundreds place, which is 2 places after the decimal. And I'm not going to round 21 cents up because this number is not 5 or above. If it was 5 or above, I'd give 21 cents a shove to 22 cents. But since it's 4 or below, I'm going to keep it as $11.21. Now, when I calculate discount then tax, what you have to do is 2 steps. First, you have to do what we just did. You have to find a discount price. Then you use the new discount price to calculate an extra tax. You can't do it in one step. You can't say, okay, I'm going to start with 100%, subtract 5%, then add 8%. No, that will not work, because if you do it that way, you're finding 8% tax of the original price. You have to find the sales price, then take 8% tax of the sales price. So first we're going to find the sales price, and then we're going to calculate tax on the sales price. So here we go. By accident, I forgot to write the same name both times when I changed the name. So here we go. Jill picked out a shampoo for $3.99. She has a coupon 5% off. So she was going to have to pay 100%. It's 5% off. She's paying 95%. So she's paying 0.95 times 3.99, which gives me a lesser price of 3.7905. Now, I know that you might be tempted to round at this point, but never round until the very end of the problem, because if you round too early, then everything after that point is going to be slightly off, and your answer might end up being a penny or two off of what the correct answer is. So anyway, here's my sales price. Now I'm going to calculate an extra 8% tax on this new sales price, not the original price. So I'm going to have to pay 100% of this sales price and 8% tax of this sales price, which means I'm going to pay 108% of the sales price. So that's 1.08 times 3.7905, which gives me 4.09374. And I need to round, and let's see, I'm not going to give it a shove to 10 cents because this is not a 5 or above. So I'm going to keep it as $4.09. Okay, lastly, and this is the most difficult problem for students, please come back to this video if you ever need help finding the original price before discount. I'm going to give you guys the sales price, and I'm going to give you how much it was marked down, and I'm going to ask you what was the original price. In other words, what was the price before the object went on sale? Anna bought a pair of boots on sale for $45.50. They had been marked down 30%. What was the original price? So this is the sales price right here. And this is the percent off. And we're asking for the original price, which is kind of similar to part equals percent times whole. They're giving you the part of the price you have to pay. You have to pay this part of the price, the sales price. And they're asking you what was the original price. In other words, what was the whole price you had to pay? But here's the trick, and this is the thing that people get wrong. You're not going to use 30% because you're not paying 30% of the price. It was marked down 30%. You pay 70% of the original price. Because if it's 30% off, there's 70% still on. So how this reads is the sales price, $45.50, equals 70% of the original price. Anna paid 70% of the original price, which was $45.50. If you put 30% in here, you're saying that Anna paid 30% of the original price, but she didn't. It was 30% off, so it's 70% left on. Now, since 0.70 is being multiplied by x, to solve this problem, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.70, and I get x equals 65. Now, how do I check this problem? Well, here's the original price, and Anna was supposed to have 30% off. So what is 70% of 65? If I plug that in my calculator, I get this, which matches the sales price given to me in the beginning of the problem. So I know my answer is correct. Okay, please see me if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.